Hey, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to make a luxurious chocolate panna cotta right in your own kitchen. This smooth, creamy Italian dessert is super easy to whip up, but it feels like an indulgent treat from a fancy restaurant. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. For 4 servings, you'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of whole milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of instant coffee, optional, but it really enhances the chocolate flavor, 100 grams of dark chocolate chopped, 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder, and 3 tablespoons of cold water. All right, step 2, prepare your gelatin. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to bloom. This is key to ensuring a smooth texture in your panna cotta. Next up, step 3, heat the cream and chocolate. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine the heavy cream, milk, sugar, and instant coffee if you're using it. Stir continuously until the mixture is warm and the sugar dissolves. Be careful not to let it boil. Once the mixture is warm, add in your chopped dark chocolate and stir until it's fully melted. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Step 4. Time to add the gelatin. Once it's bloomed, add it to the warm chocolate mixture. Stir well until the gelatin completely dissolves. If you see any lumps, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to ensure that silky texture we are aiming for. On to step 5, pour and chill. Divide the mixture evenly into 4 serving glasses or ramekins. Let them cool slightly at room temperature before transferring them to the refrigerator. Cover them with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until set. Finally, step 6. Serve and enjoy. Once the panna cotta is firm, you can serve it as is or jazz it up with toppings like whipped cream, chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or even a drizzle of caramel sauce. And there you have it, a creamy, dreamy chocolate panna cotta that's sure to impress. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. Enjoy every rich, velvety bite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time.